Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, high beam assist, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, rear-wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, passenger airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.